Hello students, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to discuss about format of question paper and unit-wise distribution of marks of paper 1 and paper 2 of 12th standard. See, mathematics and statistics, Maharashtra State Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Pune, mathematics and statistics, code number 40, 12th standard, arts and science. Now here, unit-wise distribution of marks of paper 1. See the serial number here and name of the units, marks with option. These are marks with option, and here total marks is also given. Now first chapter is mathematical logic. This chapter having 8 marks, matrices having 6 marks. These 6 marks are with option. Then third chapter is trigonometric functions. It has 10 marks. Fourth one is pair of straight line. It has 6 marks. Vectors 12 marks. Line and plane having 10 marks. And last chapter is linear programming problem having 4 marks. Total is 56 with option. Okay. Now the second part, that is paper 2. First chapter, according to new syllabus, the first chapter is differentiation having 9 marks with option. Application of derivatives 9 marks. Then indefinite integration having 10 marks. Definite integration having 6 marks. Application of definite integration is 4 marks. Differential equation is 8 marks. Probability distribution 5 marks, and binomial distribution having 5 marks. Total marks are 56 with option. See here, the differentiation for this chapter, you need the basic formulas or basic concept from 7th standard, and it has own results, that is standard formulas of derivatives. If you learn that all formulas, all standard formulas as well as general formulas of derivatives or differentiation, then this chapter is very simple. Application of derivative is based on differentiation, means derivative, indefinite integration, definite integration. See, definite integration is depends on indefinite integrations. Similarly, application in this chapter, here there is only one unit, that is find the area of the curve, and differential equation divided into 2 parts. One part is depends on differentiation, other part depends on integration, and these are different chapters. These are very simple chapters. Now the paper 2 is more complicated as compared to paper 1. Now we will see the format of question paper. See here, the question paper format for annual exam. Annual exam having 80 marks. Total marks are 80. Now the general instructions are, the question paper is divided into 4 sections. See, the total marks for annual exam having 80 marks and 20 marks for practicals, means 80 plus 20 is equal to 100. Okay, but see, 20 marks are nothing but based on paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1, the question paper for practical exam having 4 questions, 2 from paper 1 and 2 from paper 2. Just you have to attempt any 3 out of 4. Each question having 5 marks. If your practical journal is completed, mathematical journal is completed, then you will get 5 marks. Means 15 plus 5, total is 20, practicals having 20 and theory part having 80 marks. 80 plus 20 is 100. Now the general instruction for this paper, the question paper is divided into 4 sections. That is section A, section B, section C, in this way, and section D. See, section A having 2 questions. section A having 2 questions. Question number 1 containing 8 multiple questions carrying 2 marks each. This question having multiple choice questions, MCQ type questions. There are 8 questions. This question is compulsory, means it contains 8 questions, 8 multiplied by 2. This part having 16 marks, and question number 2 containing 4 very short answer questions carrying 1 mark, and this part is also compulsory. There is no option for this, means 16 plus 4 is 20 marks. Here the 20 marks having no option. Okay, now section B. The section B is section B contains 12 short answer types questions carrying 2 marks each. Just you have to attempt any 8. Out of 12, just you have to attempt any 8. Means there are 4 options. 4 questions are in options. Okay, means this section having 8 into 2. That is 16 parts, compulsory 16 parts. Okay, 16 marks. Means it has 12 questions. Now section C contains 12 short answer type questions carrying 3 marks each. Just you have to attempt any 8. Means it has 24 marks. 24 marks. And the last section D contains 8 long answer type questions carrying 4 marks each. Just you have to attempt 5 questions, then it has 5 multiplied by 4, 20 marks for this section. Okay, so here the 4 sections are there. Now use of log table is allowed and use of calculator is not allowed. The calculator is not allowed or mobile is also not allowed. Figure to write indicate full marks. Use of graph paper is necessary, not necessary. In previous syllabus, graph paper was necessary, but in new syllabus, graph paper is not necessary. Only rough sketch of graph is expected. Here in paper 1 there is a 1 chapter linear programming problem, that is LPP. For that we need graph, we need this one, but don't draw the graph on the graph paper. Here you have to draw that graph or that x-axis, y-axis or whatever with the straight line on the rough sketch with same paper. Don't use extra paper there. For each MCQ's correct answer must be written along with alphabets. For example, C means A option, B, C and D. There are 4 options in MCQ type. Okay, but suppose here question number 1, for example, question number 1, the correct answer is B. So you have to you must write B and that answer. Don't put only B or don't write only that correct answer. Understood? Means correct answer with alphabets. Suppose question number 5 having 3rd option, then you must write C and that accurate value. And these are options are given in your question paper. So you must write alphabets with correct answer. Only first attempt will be considered for evaluation. Don't write again and again. Sometimes the students write 5 questions out of 8 and after 3-4 pages they write again 5 questions or 8 questions. Okay, means first attempt question will be considered. Okay, don't write again and again, that is your wastage of time. And this is also important point. Start answer to each section on new page. Okay, that is very, very important. Now the question paper pattern of annual exam, total marks are 80 with option 112 and time duration is 3 hours. Format of question paper from this new year means academic year 2022. This start from 21 to 22. The annual pattern is general instruction. The question paper is divided into 4 parts. Section A. See here, the exactly questions are here. What is first question? In section A, there are 2 questions. I already explained that. Question number 1 and question number 2. Question number 1 is MCQs type. It has 8 questions. Question number 2 is very short answer type. It has 4 questions, 4 sub questions. Okay, having 1 mark. See, what is question number 1? Select and write the most appropriate answer from the given alternatives from each sub questions. 2 marks each. It has 16 marks. The question number sub questions are 1 to 8. And the question number 2, the answer the following. There are 4 questions, 1 to 4. It has 4 marks. Each question having 1 mark. Now section B. See, section B is attempt any 8 question out of 12. Okay. Now each question having 2 marks. Now it has question number 3 to 14 means total questions are 12 in this section. Section C also 12 questions, just you have to attempt 8. Now from 3 to 14 just you have to attempt any 8. It has 16 marks. Okay, it has 16 marks. Right? Now section C also same type. Just you have to attempt any 8 out of 12 questions. The question number start from 15 to 26 and it's this questions having 3 marks. So this section has 24 marks. And the last part is just you have to attempt 5 questions out of 27 to 34 questions and each question having 4 marks, and this is long answer type questions. Now the weightage of learning objective, see there are 3 columns 1, 2, 3 here objectives, total weightage with option and percentage. See the objectives are divided into 3 categories: knowledge based question, understanding based question and application and skill type questions. Here the knowledge based questions having 34 marks with options and which is nothing but 30% out of 112. Okay, understanding part having 47 marks and which is 42%, and application and skill based type questions having 31 marks, so it has 28%. Okay, so see this is a very simple part: knowledge based question, understanding based questions and application based question. Again we have to use or we have to consider the difficulty level. See the level and total weightage with option, similarly percentage. Easy type questions having 34 marks. Easy type questions having 34 marks. The percentage is 30. Average type questions having 56 marks. Okay, out of 112, 56 marks means 50%, and difficulty level is 22 marks. Means the passing is very simple. Here difficult level is only 22 marks and that is 20% is here, and total 112 marks. Okay. Now the weightage of type of questions. Now here types of question, marks of each questions. You can remember this table. Okay, you will get all full information. Now MCQs 2 marks each. Question number 1 containing MCQs type, here 1 to 8, that is 16 marks. Very short answer type question. See there are very short type answer, very short and short answer type questions. Very short answer means having 1 marks each, and question number 2 Here the sub questions are 1 to 4, that is compulsory. This section A is compulsory, that is question 1 and question 2. It means 16 plus 4. This 20 marks is compulsory. Now short answer type 1, 2 marks each, 3 to 14, for 24 marks. Short answer type second, 3 marks each, 15 to 26, it has 36 marks. And long answer type questions having 4 marks each, the question number from 27 to 34, it has 32 marks. Totals are with option 1, 1, 2. Okay, 1, 1, 2. And the number of questions are 34. See, 1, 2, 3 to 14, 15 to 26, 27 to 34. Total questions are 34. Right? And the weightage to theory questions in the question paper is up to 15%. This is very, very important. Means theory part is there. Paper 1 and paper 2 having theoretical questions. Theorems are there. Total 27 and 29 theorems are there, but it has 17 marks. So you must remember that all theorems, and you can practice that. Now the format, question paper format for unit test of 12th standard. Unit test having 25 marks and duration is 1.5 hour. Section A. Section A, select and write the most appropriate answer from the given alternatives for each sub questions having 2 marks. There are 2 questions, question 1 and question 2. That is MCQ type. For unit test, it's a compulsory 2 sub questions. Then question number 2 having 3 sub questions having 3 marks. Because of this question number 2 having 1 marks each. Okay, 1 marks each, and that is 3 marks. Means total question for this section A having 7. 4 plus 3 7. Now question section B. Section B, attempt any 4 of the following. Here it has 3 to 8 questions, and this is short answer type question. It has 8 marks. Just you have to attempt any 4 questions out of 3 to 8. Question C, attempt any 2 questions from 9 to 11. From out of 3, just you have to attempt any 2. It has 6 marks. And the section D, last section, say this section containing 2 questions, question 12 and 13, just you have to attempt any 1 out of 2, it has 4 marks. The total is 25 without option. Now for terminal exam having 50 marks and duration is 2.5 hours. Section A. See, section A, select and write, this is MCQ type, select and write the most appropriate answer from the given alternatives for each sub questions. It has 1 to 5th question. These are compulsory having 10 marks. And question 2 is also compulsory. Question 2 is containing 4 questions having 1 marks each. So total marks are 4. 10 plus 4, 14, means for terminal exam, compulsory part is 14 marks. And section B, say attempt any 8 questions from the following, each having 2 marks, 16. That is from 3 to 13. 11 questions are there. Okay, just you have to attempt any 8. Now section C is also similar. Just you have to attempt any 4 out of question 14 to 19. Means 12 marks is there. And last section, section D, just you have to attempt any 2 questions from 20 to 23rd questions. That is long type questions, long answer type question. It has 8 marks. Total marks are 50. See, the format of question paper as well as unit wise distribution marks are given. See, this part is very, very important. If you like my channel, then subscribe it and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.